Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the new chapter, and the chapter is chapter number 35, the famous buildings of the world. Now here in this chapter we have to read the clues and find the names of the famous world buildings and write the answers in the given space provided below. So see, the pictures are given of the famous buildings. Let's begin with the exercise by reading the clues. Let's begin with the first clue given in this chapter, and the first clue is the official residence of the President of USA. And the answer for this question is White House. Then the second is Great Bell Clock at the north end of the Palace of Westminster. And the answer for this is Big Ben. Third, this separates the Kremlin, the residence of the President of Russia. And this is called as the Red Square. Then next is official residence and the office of the British monarch, and this is known as the Buckingham Palace. Then fifth question is the main residence of the Emperor of Japan, and this place is called as the Imperial Palace. The next, headquarters of the United States Department of Defense, and this place is known as the Pentagon. Seventh is official residence of the President of Philippines, and this place is known as Malacanang Palace. The last one, the official residence of the President of France is Élysée Palace. So this was all about the clues and the respective famous buildings. Then next we have the quick fact, and it says that the Cheongwade or the Blue House is the official residence of the President of the Republic of Korea. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.